Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Sandy. Today I am doing a fun haul video. So these are going to be items that I have thrifted. If I remember where I got it, I will let you know. But it's a few things that I have accumulated, and I've just really now had time to sit down and shoot a video. So let's get started. I'm super excited. Okay, so first off, I'm just going to grab from the pile here. Move this ribbon out of the way. So this is from a little thrift shop that is just down the street from me. And I'll pop in there from time to time. Sometimes I get lucky and other times I don't. Okay. Oh, I forgot. I put a couple other things in here. So these are just some stamps off of an envelope that I wanted to save. And these actually came from my mom's car. We got rid of her cars a while back. And so I thought, oh, these are awesome. I like those. I forgot I had put them in here. So these are some things I picked up at the thrift store. So I thought this was a pretty good deal. So it was $2.99, and there's 25 of these 6x9 envelopes in here. So I thought that was great. And these are from Walmart from 2018. And then the next thing I picked up was this Christmas paper. There's 40 sheets for $1.25. I mean, what a bargain, right? And they're printing on both sides. I don't see a year on here, but it's oh no, there's not printing on both sides. So just on one side. But I love the poinsettias. It's a nice, thin paper, so I think that'd be great just to add into some journals without adding a lot of bulk. So there was that. The next thing I picked up, I got this a while back. So these are from two different thrift stores. This is from a local thrift store. I'm always on the lookout for these Ideals magazines. And when I saw this Christmas one, I was like, ooh, nice. So I don't know if you haven't heard of these magazines, they're getting harder and harder to find. They're usually, find a year on here. Oh, they have it in Roman numeral, but there's the Roman numeral there if you want to look it up. But I think it's like the 1950s or 60s. But the paper, it's a matte finish paper. It has a nice feel to it, and it has beautiful images. They have Mother's Day ones, they have Christmas, Thanksgiving, and just, regular themed magazines. But I use these in my journals all the time. And I'll usually, depending on the theme of my journal, I then look through. I have probably maybe about 10 of these now. I'll look through these magazines to see if there's an image that would work with whatever theme journal I am working on. But these are just one of my favorites. I love the quality of the paper. I love the images. And yeah, it's just fun. So keep your eye out for those. Those are always fun. And then at that same thrift store, I was looking through the fabrics, and I couldn't believe I stumbled upon this, and I had to snag them up. It's 8 little handkerchiefs, and I got all 8 of them for $4. I mean, can you believe it? And they're all in really pretty good shape. A couple of little holes, but they're clean. And I love this beautiful little butterfly image on here. Like this one, there's no holes whatsoever. Just a tiny little stain. But yeah, these are in really good shape. So I was really excited to find those. So 8 of those. And then we stopped off at another thrift store and mainly looking at clothes. But this was at right at the checkout counter. So I grabbed this. I love using this kind of paper in my junk journals, the old tablet paper. And I love that it has Louisville on the cover, which is really neat. Oh, the parent-teacher store. Oh, this, I don't think it's open anymore, but I loved going into this store when my kids were in school, because I love getting school supplies and things like that. And so that's really cool that it's from the parent-teacher store. But there's 50 sheets, and I don't know if any of them, honestly, have been used. So that's a great get. And I think it was like $1. I don't remember, but it was super cheap. So snag that. And then I picked a couple items up. These are from the Sacred Mementos YouTube channel. If you haven't checked that channel out, make sure you do. Patty does live sales on Mondays and Thursdays. And on Thursdays, she sometimes has guest sellers. So these are some calling cards, Victorian calling cards. And I love the ones that lift up. So she was selling these one day. And so I snagged a couple. I just wanted to I don't have any that lift up like this. And so I wanted to grab a few for my collection. And I think they're really pretty. So it was $3. So I thought that was good. And then I also picked up these little brass little serial number plates. And I picked up 3 of those. And I just wanted to have a couple of these in my stash so I could use them on some journals. So make sure to check out her channel. And it's fun. She does the live sales and we all get together and chat. So it's a lot of fun. The next one here, I got these off of Instagram. Isn't that adorable? So cute. I got this after I did my strawberry collection, but I still picked it up. And then this handkerchief. Oh, a couple handkerchiefs, yeah. Raining Vintage is the YouTube channel. Yeah, Raining Vintage 2, T-O-O. And she has sales all the time over on Instagram. So make sure to check out her channel. But look at these pretty handkerchiefs. I don't really need any more handkerchiefs, but those were so pretty, and it was a really good price. I had been wanting to get some pillowcases and bed sheets, and she had a big sale a while back, and so I picked up these. This is 2 standard pillowcases, but you all know I love retro, so I love this pattern on this, and this had never been opened. Never been used, which is awesome. I love that. And then these have been used, but she, obviously washed them and cleaned them. And then I thought I liked the pattern on the back of this. It kind of reminded me of honeycomb. And there is a couple spots where there is a butterfly, I think, if I remember correctly. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, here's a couple spots with a cute little butterfly. So I thought those could be maybe some fun journal covers. And then again, I was going for kind of the retro style here. And then this is another one. I just thought these dusty blues were so pretty with these yellows and oranges. And this is a pillowcase, and this was a pillowcase as well. So 4 pillowcases, and then this is a sheet. I forget what size, either king or queen, I believe. I mean, it could be a twin, but I just love these bright colors So I thought, oh my gosh, I have tons of options with this. And I'll probably put some of this in my Etsy shop because I just think it's gorgeous. And I think it would make some beautiful covers or tags, pockets, whatever. Lots of fun stuff. So yeah, so check out Raining Vintage 2 over on Instagram. Yeah, Instagram is a good place to look for vintage items, and they don't gouge you on the price, I must say. I'm quite pleased about that. I mean, they're fairly priced, and then sometimes they'll run sales. And then I haven't even gone through this package yet. This is the last item. This, one of my bowling buddies, you know, I've shown them my journals and stuff like that. And so she had a bunch of this little stuff. She goes, I don't know if you'll want any of it. Just throw away what you don't want. And so I thought that was super sweet of her to think about me. So let's take a look at it together. So we have, because I just kind of peeked through the plastic. So here's just a really pretty little ribbon, pink little ribbon. And we have a sweet little handkerchief. Look how cute. Oh, I like that each corner has a design. That's fun. Here's a fun little nautical patch. I'll have to put that with my sea journal stuff. And then let's take a look. I love all these different flowers. Let's take a look at these. So we have a little more ribbon, it looks like. And then, oh, look at the, oh, and they're so tiny. I love how tiny they are. That's great. That is great. I just realized I didn't have all my lighting on. So when I edit this, hopefully the lighting will look okay. Look, oh, I like that with the little pearls. Aw, how fun. Yeah, these are great. Oh my gosh, so many of them. All right, I like how little they are, because sometimes I'll find some at estate sales and they're a lot bigger. Kind of almost, well, not this big, but maybe, yeah, these are look a little bit bigger. Not really, but no, I like this size a lot. So these are from my friend Suzanne. So thank you, Suzanne. So I'm gonna put those back in here. I have a little box that I store those in, and it's starting to get full. So I need to do a project with them. And then let's see what's in here. Oh, look at this sweet little crochet piece. Love that. And then, oh, look at that. That's a really pretty ribbon. Love that. Oh my gosh, look at that, you all. Oh, I love it. Nice. That's really sweet. Let's see. What is this? Oh, some feathers. Okay. Very cool. These are some dyed feathers. Okay. Nice. Oh, and look at these sweet little appliques, embroidered appliques. Oh, love this. And then, oh, some rickrack. Oh, I like this. Will be good for the holidays. And a little more ribbon. And then what is in here? Oh, some more rickrack. It looks like, I don't think it's black. I think, yeah, it's navy rickrack. Ooh, nice. I don't know if I have any navy rickrack. So that is everything from my haul of my vintage finds. I hope you enjoyed the haul. Let me know if you haven't had a favorite item. I know I loved getting all this fun stuff from Suzanne, but I like all the things that I picked up for sure. And it was really helpful. I showed my bowling friends a couple of my journals, and that really helped give them ideas of things to look for around their house. So that's a tip for you too, if you want to hit up your friends and family for junk journal supplies. All right, guys, I will see y'all in the next video. Remember to hit the like, tell me your favorite item, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.